The Diamond is a ship, my lads, for the Davis Strait she's bound, and the quay is garnished over with bonny lasses round. The captain gives the order to sail the ocean high, where the sun it never sets, my lads, the darkness dims the sky. And it's cheer up, my lads, your hearts never fail, when the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the wave. Down by the quay at Peterhead the lasses stand around, with the shawls all pulled about them and the salt tears running down. Now don't you greet my bonny lassie, you'll be left behind, for a rose'll grow in Greenland's ice afore we change your mind. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, when the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the wave. Here's a health to the Resolution, likewise Eliza Swan. Here's to the Battler o' Arbroath and the Diamond ship of fame. We'll wave the trousers o' the white, the jackets o' the blue. When we come back to Peterhead, we'll hae sweet hearts o' you. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, when the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the wave. And it'll be bright back day and night, and the Greenland boys come hame, wi' a ship that's full o' oil, my lad, and money to your name. We'll mak the cradles for to rock, the blanket for to tear, and every lass in Peterhead sings hush-a-bye, my dear. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, when the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the wave.